wearing a really nice ring. Does it come off? Can I borrow it a second? I'll be really careful. Come on, so I don't fall over. That's perfect. Now, there. Now, with your permission, I'm going to make it vanish maybe 10 or 12 seconds. Would that be okay? Now, you have to make sure whatever happens, Sharpie man, you have to make sure that my hands never leave your side at any moment. Okay, my hands are always going to be in view. Are you ready? Gone completely. It's incredible, isn't it? It's my favourite. You don't look impressive. It really has gone.